What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's video I'm gonna quickly show you how you can get rid of this annoying error in here which doesn't allow you to create your Apple ID account, or in other words known as the iCloud account. Okay, this is a very common error that many people do face, and I'm gonna show you how to get rid of this error and ultimately create your Apple ID account. In my case, this is just a screenshot to represent it to you guys and to show how the error looks like. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, jumping straight into the tutorial, the very first thing that I would recommend you guys to do in here is to hop into settings on your iPhone. Okay, so we're trying to create a new Apple ID account. We'll hop into settings real quick, and once we're here on settings, the very first thing we're going to do is to check our internet connection. Okay, so we need to double check our Wi-Fi connection or our mobile data connection. In my case, I'm connected to the internet by means of Wi-Fi connection. So in that case, if you're not having a good internet coverage, you can just simply hop into Wi-Fi, turn it off, and turn on your mobile data real quick in here to try navigating and creating an account with your mobile data, okay, manually without using your Wi-Fi. Now, another thing I would ask you to double check if you're trying to really connect through Wi-Fi, or if you simply have Wi-Fi connection, hop into your internet browser real quick. You can open up Safari and simply search for speed test. Okay, this should be on google.com, and once you're here on speed test, I would recommend you guys to run a speed test here by Ookla. So you'll be able to see speed test by Ookla. It's a website. If you can't find it, simply go to speedtest.net. Tap once on it, and then this website should pop up real quick. So once you're here, what I would recommend you guys to do, okay, let's go with continue on the web. You'll tap on go to see how your internet is performing. Tap on allow and wait for a couple seconds. Here we go. It's running my download speed, and then it's gonna run my upload speed, and then it's gonna give me a review of how fast my internet is. Okay, so you need to be having something above 10 megabits per second or Mbps. That is an estimate of a stable network that will allow you to create your Apple ID without any issues. Because in some scenarios, when you have a really slow internet, what happens is the iCloud servers, they don't process normally. So you need to double check your internet and make sure that you are using the fastest internet available for you, whether it's the Wi-Fi or the cellular one. Now, once you're done checking this, if the error persists, simply hop into settings, okay? And then we'll be hopping down here into general, okay? So simply tap here once on general and then scroll down, tap here on date and time. This is a very important step. Might sound a bit awkward, but this actually influences when you're trying to create an Apple ID account. So tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is set up correctly, okay? So if you are here on automatically and it's not showing your specific region in here, simply deselect this, okay? And then you can manually input your date and time in here to match the exact location where you actually are. Because iCloud servers themselves, they actually try to match where you are and your date and time. So it needs to match perfectly. Another thing that might create an issue is to double check if you do not have any VPN connected, okay? So hop into VPN right here if it's available on your phone. If it's not available, that means that you do not have any VPN connection, right? And then simply make sure that it's turned off or toggled off to not connected, okay? Or in other terms, if it is connected, simply bring down the control center over here and see if you have a VPN option in here. If you have, you need to turn it off immediately, okay? By simply hopping into VPN and turning it off in here. So next up, try creating an Apple ID account. And if it simply doesn't work, we're moving into the next step. So over here, what we're gonna be doing in here is the following. We're going to scroll down, okay, all the way to apps down here. We'll tap on apps, okay, and then we'll search for mail, okay, so we need to go all the way to M. Here we go, we're now on letter M, and then we'll tap here on mail, okay. So once we're here on mail, we'll pretend that we wish to create an iCloud email account, okay, not exactly an Apple account, and then that will convert into an Apple account, because normally iCloud is nothing but your email, right? So it makes sense. Next up, we'll tap here on mail accounts real quick, and then you've got in here iCloud, Gmail, or any other email that you've got set up on your phone. We'll tap on add account. Okay, so once you tap on add account, we'll tap here on iCloud. And the next thing we're going to be doing is we'll tap on create new Apple account, right? To create a fresh new account as if we want to create an email while we wish to create an iCloud account. So simply tap on create a new iCloud account, and in a few seconds, it should ask you for your name and your date of birth. Okay, let's go real quick. I'll go with this. I'm setting up everything in here. I'm filling it up. Date of birth. Let me quickly add my date of birth. Next up, it's going to ask me for my email address. Let me quickly type in my email address real quick. Here we go. Here's my Gmail account, okay, my email address, which will be my iCloud at the end of the day, right? Next up, I need to turn on or off this announcements option in here. I'll turn it off because I don't want to receive promotional emails from iCloud themselves, and then simply tap on continue, okay? Next up, it will ask you to create an Apple account password, okay? So do not forget it. Make sure you write it somewhere or you memorize it or keep it somewhere safe where you won't forget your Apple account password. Let me quickly type in an Apple account password in here. Let's go with B, capital B, ba-na-122 at the rate, okay? So that's going to be our password. Ba-na-122 at the rate. Okay, cool. There we go. Tap on continue, and next up, it's going to ask us to type in our phone number. Okay, this is a very important step, and you need to make sure that you're typing in a phone number that doesn't have any link with any other Apple ID account. Okay, so over here, you need to type in your phone number real quick. Next up, simply tap on continue, and then it's going to ask you to verify the OTP code. That's done automatically, as you've seen. The code has came here into my message, and it automatically confirmed by itself. Next up, simply tap on agree to agree the terms and conditions. It's very important to agree terms and conditions. And here we go. It's now signing in to my new Apple ID account. So as you can see in here, we already have a new iCloud account in here, which is this one right here, okay? We've just created it right now, and it shows as inactive. Tap once on it, and then it's loading. Just give it a couple seconds. It's verifying everything. And as you can see, your account was used to sign in into an iCloud on an iPhone 16 Pro. I've just received this email here automatically because I've created it right now, right? So next up, what you need to do is simply hop into this email, open up this email real quick in here, double check if everything is okay. Just ignore the message, right? Now, we've just created our Apple ID account real quick. You already know the password. Now, the next thing you need to do is simply log in into your device, right? So simply hop into your settings, I believe so. And then here at the top, simply hop into this option to sign in with your new Apple ID account. I already have one set up in here, but this one has already been created right now as a brand new account, and you can log in whatever you wish to log in with your Apple ID account. If it's a MacBook, if it's an iPad, if it's an iPhone, no issues at all. So this is the roundabout that you need to perform in order to create an Apple ID by creating an email, and that email will turn into an Apple ID account. Now, if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq and for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, like the video, let me know in the comment section if you have any doubt, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.